Hello my friends, today I'm going to teach you a super healthy and super tasty Persian noodle soup. So we start with 1 cup lentil and quarter cup of barley. So we have to wash them very well and soak them in water at least over 1 hour. But you can soak them overnight, much better. So we go back to cut our leeks and wash them carefully because leeks has a lot of soil inside, and come back to put the our barley and lentil to with medium size of flame to cook, and again come back for cutting stuff. So cutting spring onion, and we have 2 small onions to cut them, and after that we cut around 4 cloves garlics, and again come back to our boiling lentil and barley. So we need to drain them. We drain and come and return back to the pot and go for next step. So we will add onions. Actually we already cut it, and the leeks, which we wash it many times. I wash it 5 times, and so after that we add boiling water to cover all our ingredients. So just remember, anytime you need water, you can add boiling water during your cooking. So we mix them together a little bit and start to go and cut our potatoes. We have 3 or 4 potatoes, small potatoes. You can cut them very well and add to the soup during the soup is cooking and boiling. So gradually your soup getting ready while you are starting to cut your vegetables. So we will go back again to vegetables. We cut some part of white radish and cut them in small cubes, and after that we go for celery. Just remember, celery should wash very well because the end of that is very dirty and soily. So wash very well and cut them very good and add to the soup. So we add also our carrot cut it already and add that, and again come back to everything we cut it before already. For example, white radish, spring onions, we add all of our vegetables. Actually we cut it. Then we add our garlics. Then we start to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and mix them together. And sometimes you feel the water is not enough, you add boiling water as I said before, and we add 1 teaspoon turmeric, black pepper, chili powder, and salt as required, and mix them together. Then we go back again to our vegetables. We start to cut our parsley And again, go back to the soup and just stir them. And it is the time we marinated our soup, so we add olive oil. Olive oil makes the soup so tasty as well. So just remember, olive oil, especially the olive oil, has the original taste, is much better. And we go and start to juicing 2 lemon or 2 limes, and go back again to soup and stir and check the taste. Always we check and everything we need to add. So it is the time we add oats and diced parsley. When we add this stuff, it means soup is getting ready very soon. So we continue to mix them together very well and check the taste. The final step is the adding noodles. So I'm using Asian noodles. It was my first time and it was very hard, but finally I cut them and add them. After noodles, we have only 10 minutes to make ready our soup. So after these noodles, we have only 10 to 15 minutes time. And we can see the soup after 10 to 15 minutes would be ready. So during the time, we can just stir gradually, because avoiding to stick the ingredients to the pot, and just make sure everything is going well. And now our soup almost is ready. We can see the form, it is enough thick and done. But for making sure, you can taste carrot and potato, and you can see if potato is cooked, it means your soup is ready. I'm pretty sure you love my soup, so I hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell for more amazing videos. I really appreciated your support. Thank you.